Hello students, St. Joseph's Institute of Technology, Department of Maths welcomes you. Now we see the lecture series on complex integration. First, Cauchy's integral theorem. If f of z is analytic at every point of the region R bounded by a simple closed curve C, and if f dash of z is continuous at all points inside and on C, then integral over C f of z dz equal to 0. Cauchy's integral formula for nth derivative. If f of z is analytic inside and on a simple closed curve C, and z equal to a is any interior point of the region R enclosed by C, then integral over C f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi a by n factorial f power n of a, where f power n of a is the nth derivative of f of z at the point z equal to a. Now consider problem 1. Using Cauchy's integral formula, evaluate integral over c sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 2 into z minus 1 dz, where c is mod z equal to 3. Now we use the Cauchy integral formula. So if f of a can be written as 1 by 2 pi I integral over c f of z by z minus a into dz. So cross multiplying 2 pi I to the left hand side, we get 2 pi I f of a equal to integral over c f of z by z minus a into dz. Now in the given integral, we consider f of z as sin pi z square plus cos pi z square, and the denominator consisting of 2 points 1 and 2, and both the points lies inside the circle mod z equal to 3. And using partial fraction method, we can resolve 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2 as minus 1 by z minus 1 plus 1 by z minus 2. So the given integral is splitted into two integrals. So using Cauchy integral formula, we get minus 2 pi I into f of 1 plus 2 pi I into f of 2. For both the integrals, we have same function f of z. So that is sin pi z square plus cos pi z square. Substituting 1 and 2, we get f of 1 equal to minus 1 and f of 2 equal to 1. Hence the given integral reduced to 4 pi I. Now consider problem 2. Using Cauchy integral formula, find integral over c z plus 4 by z square plus 2z plus 5 dz, where c is mod z plus 1 minus I equal to 2. Now to identify the given curve C, we are substituting z equal to x plus iy. On simplifying, we are arriving x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 4. And it is the equation of circle with center minus 1, 1 and radius 2. And I have taken the denominator z square plus 2z plus 5 equal to 0. Using basic formula, you can solve this equation. So we get z equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2i. And again I am writing z square plus 2z plus 5 as product of two linear terms. And the denominator consisting of 2 points minus 1 plus 2i and minus 1 minus 2i. So in this, minus 1 plus 2i lies inside the circle C and minus 1 minus 2i lies outside the circle C. So we consider the inside point in the denominator and take the outside point in the numerator. So consider f of z as fz plus 4 by z minus of minus 1 minus 2i. Note this, here minus 1 minus 2i is the outside point, so we have to consider it in the function f of z. And now we calculate f of minus 1 plus 2i as 2i plus 3 by 4i. Now substituting this in the given integral, we get pi by 2 into 3 plus 2i. Now we take the third problem. Using Cauchy's integral formula, evaluate integral over c 1 by z minus 2 into z plus 1 whole square dz, where c is mod z equal to 3 by 2. Now the denominator consisting of 2 points minus 1 and 2, and the given circle is of radius 3 by 2, that is 1.5. So in this, z equal to minus 1 is a pole lies inside the circle and z equal to 2 is a pole lies outside the circle. So consider the inside point in the denominator and take the outside point to the numerator. So we consider the function f of z as 1 by z minus 2. And we are calculating f dash of z as minus 1 by z minus 2 whole square. Hence, by Cauchy's integral formula, we have integral over c f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial f power n of a. So integral over c dz by z plus 1 whole square into z minus 2 can be written as integral over c 1 by z minus 2 by z minus of minus 1 whole square dz. So for this we are having 2 pi I by 1 factorial f dash of minus 1, and calculating f dash of minus 1 we have minus 1 by 9. So the given integral gives minus 2 by 9 into pi I. Now take problem 4. Using Cauchy integral formula, evaluate integral over c z by z square plus 1 dz, where c is mod z plus I equal to 1. Now to identify the curve, we substitute z equal to x plus iy. On simplifying, we get x square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to 1. We know that this is the equation of circle with center 0, minus 1 and radius 1. And take the denominator z square plus 1 equal to 0. So we get z equal to I and z equal to minus I. In this, z equal to I is a simple pole which lies outside C, and z equal to minus I is a simple pole which lies inside C. Again, using Cauchy integral formula, the given integral can be written as integral over c z by z minus I by z plus I. So using the formula, we get 2 pi I into f of minus I. On calculating, we get f of minus I as 1 by 2. So the value of the given integral is pi I. Thank you for watching this lecture series. Keep practicing on it. Thank you.